welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to show you a kind of sneak peek behind a few of the places that I ate in London. I am currently in London. We are staying in the Mayfair area, and I got so many fun recommendations from you guys via Instagram that I thought it would be fun to film some of the different meals that we had. So I am not like following a specific day. I'm just kind of pulling bits and pieces from our trips because there were so many great restaurants and I really want to share some of them. If you're interested in any of the links, I will put them all in the description box below, and I will also make sure to include all of the restaurant recommendations that you guys gave me that we didn't try. I was honestly surprised how much vegetarian and vegan options there are in London. I would say that it's even a better city than New York for those options. There are tons of vegetarian only and vegan only restaurants. We ended up not going to a ton of those just because Matt likes to eat meat, and so I was able to find tons of veg-friendly and GF-friendly meals, side dishes, etc. on a lot of different menus. So I'm excited to share some of those things with you. Like I mentioned, everything will be below, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to first tell you some breakfast places. The first is Deliciously Ella. This was an amazing deli/cafe by Deliciously Ella, who is a blogger. They have desserts, they have breakfast, they have lunch and dinner, and the breakfast is this amazing spread of baked goods as well as coconut yogurt. They have avocado mash, they have chia pudding, they have homemade granola, and it was hard to choose, but I decided to choose the sourdough peanut butter and jelly bagel, which was gluten-free. We got some cappuccinos, some matcha, Matt got some avocado toast, and I also got a side of the coconut yogurt with her homemade granola, as well as 2 of her energy balls. And this was such an amazing breakfast. I can't recommend this deli enough. I can't wait to go back sometime for the lunch and dinner. Another place was Farm Girl. This is actually in a store off of Carnaby Street. There's 2 locations, and this is a great breakfast option. They have some plant-based things as well as some things with eggs and some meat-based dishes, amazing coffees and smoothies and juices. So I decided to get a juice out of their fridge, and it was really good. It was organic, cold-pressed, awesome. Just a great way to get in some greens. And then I also ordered the avocado toast, and this was hands down the best gluten-free bread I have ever had in my whole life. It was amazing. And also a vegan donut. And then another place is called the Detox Kitchen, and I think there are also a few locations in London. This one was also off of Carnaby Street. And this is a great juice and smoothie place. They also have some food options, which is really great. They have some counter options like toast and things like that. But then they also have this whole fridge section, which has lunches to go and things that you could take with you if you are going out for the day. And then, like I mentioned, they also have some baked goods, and then they have matcha and coffee, and then they have juices and smoothies, and it was really delicious. For lunch and dinner, the number one place I recommend is Borough Market. It is an open-air kind of food stall market. I found this amazing vegetarian Indian food, and I got the moong dal dosa. It comes with chickpeas, and it's a lentil dosa stuffed with potatoes, and this was such an awesome lunch. It was by far one of the best meals that we had in London. I absolutely loved it. Cannot recommend it enough. And then some other places that we ate were Nopi, which is from Ottolenghi, and it's a Mediterranean restaurant. It has a ton of great vegan and plant-based options, as well as some options for people who aren't plant-based, and it's really well presented. It's light, it's airy, it's beautiful, and the food was amazing. And then we also found a place called Pho, and we actually found this in Manchester, but they have them all over London, and it has really awesome vegetarian pho as well as some vegetarian appetizers like these spring rolls. And then I'll finish my tour by sharing some sweets. So we found this amazing bake shop inside of Borough Market. It's called Free From Bakery, and they have tons of amazing gluten-free baked goods. I got a brownie as well as a cupcake, and we ate it as we walked along the water. And then we also found this really cute chocolate shop, which was serving some dairy-free hot chocolate. It was kind of chilly this day, so this was perfect. They kind of make it right there and have a little station. You can get a little shot or you can get a mug of it. It's dairy-free, and you can add in all of these spices if you want. And this was such a pretty shop. It was over in Covent Garden. It has tons of amazing chocolates, a lot of which are dairy-free. And they also have a whole truffle case. They didn't have any dairy-free truffles at the time, but Matt got some and he said they were delicious. And I got just a little shot of their dairy-free hot chocolate. It was rich, creamy, and so good. And then last but not least, we also stopped at Mildreds. This is a plant-based restaurant which has a lot of vegan comfort food, but we went for desserts and it was so good. You guys, this restaurant was amazing. When we got there, we ordered some champagne. We had to wait a little while. It was super busy, so we kind of waited out in the area, had a couple glasses of champagne, and then got the dessert. We ordered the salted caramel brownie, which was vegan and gluten-free, as well as the ice cream sundae, which had some chocolate sauce and cherries, and oh my god, this was out of this world delicious. One of the best desserts I've ever had, and I can't tell you enough good things. You have to go here if you come to London. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day video, even though it wasn't technically a What I Eat in a Day video, more like a What I Ate While I Was Traveling video. These are really fun to film. I definitely am not the type of person that is trying to film every single thing because I want to also enjoy being in the present moment, but I hope you still enjoyed the stuff that I did film. And like you can tell, there are tons of great options. If you ever visit London, definitely recommend a lot of the places that we visited. I will put them again below for you in the description box so you can check them out. And now we are on our way to Liverpool and Manchester, and then we will be back in the States in a few days. So hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure to tap that red button right below this video. It says subscribe, and that will subscribe you, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I guess that's all I have. So I will see you guys next week with a brand new recipe video. Bye!